Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what is ChatGPT Agents and everything you need to know. Basically, OpenAI has recently introduced a brand new feature called the ChatGPT Agent. Unlike the standard chatbot experience, this tool can both research information online and take actions on your behalf. Think of it as a mix of a research assistant and a digital operator in this breakdown. So we will explore what it can do, how you can use it, and some of the benchmarks it has achieved and important limitations you should keep in mind. If we talk about its capabilities and features, so the ChatGPT agent is designed to go beyond answering questions. It can handle end-to-end tasks on your computer or the web. For example, it can review your calendar and prepare a briefing for your next meeting, generate a grocery plan for a specific recipe, or even compare competitors and create presentation deck. The big advantage is that it doesn't just stop at gathering information. It can also process it intelligently and deliver results in the format you need. Whether it's a spreadsheet, a PowerPoint presentation, or a summarized report, the agent is built to assist in a practical way. Importantly, you remain in control if the agent ever needs sensitive details like your credit card information or navigate to website you don't trust. You can step in at any time to pause or stop the action. While this opens up huge opportunities, it also means you need to be cautious about where the agent operates and what permissions it has. When using ChatGPT, you can simply switch into agent mode. In this mode, the tool can automatically research the web, create spreadsheets, read PDFs, and summarize web pages for you. The interface makes it easy to see what the agent is doing in real time, almost like watching an interactive browser session. For instance, if you want to book a reservation or gather a detailed market analysis, the agent can not only collect the data but also take the required steps online. Another popular feature is its ability to generate PowerPoint slides, perfect for turning research into a professional presentation within minutes. If we talk about its benchmarks and performance, so OpenAI has tested this new agent against multiple benchmarks. On humanity's last exam, a popular AI evaluation, it scored significantly higher than previous model like Group 4. The improvements are largely due to its ability to combine different tools such as web browsing, spreadsheet handling, and terminal access, similar to how humans use multiple resources to complete a task. In data science benchmarks such as DS Bench, the agent showed impressive results in tasks like analysis, modeling, and spreadsheet work. On a specialized test called Spreadsheet Bench, it reached about 45% of human performance, which is a major leap compared to earlier versions. Perhaps the most exciting part is how quickly these advancements are happening. Only a few months ago, ChatGPT 3.5 was the state of the art model. Now, the ChatGPT agent is pushing into new territory with capabilities closer to human like research and decision making. The ChatGPT agent marks a major step forward in how AI can support day-to-day tasks from automating research to creating presentation. It's moving closer to being a true digital agent rather than just a chatbot. That said, users need to stay cautious with sensitive data and always remain in control of what the agent is doing online. So that is all about the ChatGPT agents that you need to know. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.